everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to get a refund from booking.com. So to get a refund from booking.com, you have to cancel your reservation via the bookings section in your account to check policies. So for that, what you can do is open your booking.com app and tap on the bookings tab, which is at the bottom of your screen. Now you will see your active trips on your screen. Now choose your specific trip and then cancel as soon as possible to avoid penalties, especially if the property has a strict policy. Now, if booking.com shows a refund is due but you haven't received it, contact the property directly to confirm they have initiated the refund. Now, if the property refuses to refund, use booking.com's customer service to mediate. Ensure you have your booking number and PIN. Now keep copies of all correspondence, cancellation confirmation, and bank statements showing charges. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.